Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to activate Microsoft Office 365 on Windows 11. Quick, simple, and step-by-step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open any Office app on your Windows 11 PC like Word or Excel. Step 2. When prompted, click Sign In and enter the Microsoft account associated with your Office 365 subscription. Step 3. After signing in, Office will automatically detect your subscription. Click Activate if required. Step 4. Once activated, you can start using all Office apps with full features. Step 5. To confirm, go to File, Account in any Office app to see your subscription status. That's it. Microsoft Office 365 is now active on your Windows 11 PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials.